In this video, I'll guide you through how to access the Shared With Me folder in Google Drive on your desktop so you can easily work with shared files right from File Explorer or Finder. We'll start in your browser, set things up correctly, and then make sure everything appears where you expect it on your computer. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Make sure you're signed in to the same Google account that has the files or folders shared with you. Once Drive is open, look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see options like My Drive, Computers, and below those an option called Shared With Me. Click on Shared With Me. This is where Google Drive keeps everything that other people have shared with your account. Inside Shared With Me, you'll see a list of files and folders that have been shared with you. For what we're doing in this tutorial, focus on the folder you want to access from your desktop. This might be a project folder from a teammate, a shared resource library, or anything else you regularly need on your computer. Now find that folder in the list and right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click on Add Shortcut to Drive. This doesn't move or copy the folder, it simply creates a shortcut to it inside your own drive, which is important for syncing it to your desktop later. After you click Add Shortcut to Drive, a small window will appear asking you where you want to place this shortcut. By default, it might suggest your main My Drive location, but you can choose any folder within My Drive that makes sense for you. For example, you might want to create or use a specific folder in My Drive called Shared Folders or Team Projects to keep everything organized. Once you've picked the location in My Drive, confirm by clicking the Add Shortcut button. At this point, that shared folder now appears in your My Drive structure as a shortcut. This is the key step that allows Google Drive for desktop to recognize it and sync it to your computer. If you skip this, the shared folder won't show up in your desktop file system. Next, open Google Drive for desktop on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, you'll need to download and install the Google Drive desktop app first, then sign in with the same Google account you used in the browser. Once it's running, Drive for Desktop will begin syncing your My Drive content according to your settings. On Windows, open File Explorer. On a Mac, open Finder. Look for the Google Drive entry in the sidebar. Inside, go into My Drive, then navigate to the location where you added that shortcut earlier. You'll see the shortcut to the shared folder there, and when you open it, you'll be able to browse and work with those shared files just like any other folder on your computer. Any changes you make will sync back to Google Drive, respecting the permissions you were given. That's all you need to do. By adding a shortcut in My Drive and letting Google Drive for Desktop sync it, you can access your Shared With Me folders directly from your desktop, keeping your workflow simple and your shared content always within reach.